TB na yan! Or is it? Welcome to a new episode of Micropara series where we talk about tiny microorganisms with massive attitudes. And today's featured menace is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacterium responsible for tuberculosis or TB. Pero bago natin siya pag-usapan, kilalanin muna natin kung saan ba siya nanggaling. Ang Mycobacterium ay kabilang sa mga actinobacteria, a group of aerobic non-endospore-forming rod-shaped bacteria. Isa sa mga distinct characteristic ng mga Mycobacterium ay yung cell wall nila. Meron itong mycolic acid, a waxy, protective layer na parang built-in armor ng bacteria. Dahil dito, mas nagiging resistant sila sa iba't ibang environmental conditions at mas mahirap silang alisin. At dahil din sa mycolic acid, gumagamit tayo ng acid-fast staining sa laboratory para ma-identify sila. Kaya kapag narinig mo ang acid-fast bacilli na may mycolic acid, Mycobacterium na agad ang dapat mong maisip. Now, let's talk about the star of this episode. Mycobacterium tuberculosis or Koch bacillus is a slender, slightly curved, rod-shaped bacteria. Quick trivia lang. Koch bacillus comes from Robert Koch, the scientist who first identified the bacterium in 1882. Isa pang karakteristik ng Mycobacterium tuberculosis ang pagiging aerobic nito, meaning gusto niya yung mga oxygen-rich environments. Kaya hindi nakakapagtaka kung bakit mahilig siyang tumambay sa lungs. At kung familiar kayo dito, the TB Dots program by DOH, isa sa mga strategies para ma-manage yung treatment ng tuberculosis. Pero bakit nga ba siya naging isang successful pathogen? Isa sa kanyang virulence factors ay ang cord factor. Ang cord factor ang tumutulong sa formation ng granulomas. Ang granuloma ay parang attempt ng katawan na ikulong o itrap ang bakterya para hindi ito kumalat sa ibang bahagi, ibang parte ng katawan. Meron din siyang sulfatides. These help the bacterium to survive inside host cells, making it harder for the immune system to completely eliminate the infection. Sa laboratory naman, pwede siyang i-culture sa Lowenstein-Jensen medium. Isa ring commonly known test ay ang Mantoux test or PPD skin test, which stands for Purified Protein Derivative. And take note, a positive Mantoux test does not always mean an active tuberculosis. It may simply indicate previous exposure to the bacterium. And that's it for this episode. From its waxy, mycolic acid cell wall to its ability to survive inside the body, Mycobacterium tuberculosis has definitely earned its place to become one of the most important bacterial pathogen in microbiology. This has been Micropara series, where we talk about tiny microorganisms with massive attitudes. See you next time!